Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to rotate an image in Photopea. First, you go to photopea.com, then you have to upload your picture. Once you upload your picture, you will see it appear on the screen. Now, you go to the picture layer, under layer. Once you click it, you will see on the top right corner, it says transform control. Click the box. And now you will see little boxes around the picture. Move the mouse and you see this curvy arrow. That means you can turn the picture now. And if you want to rotate by exact number like 90 degree, just look at the top bar and just type the number. And that's it. You know how to flip a picture in Photopea like a pro. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in the next video. Ta-da!